Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the continuation of conditional statements. Okay, so I can make video only for 30 minutes, so I had to stop it there. Okay, so in the previous video, I was explaining about if else ladder. Okay, I was explaining about if else ladder and we came till here. Okay, okay, so now let us inspect this text. Okay, please watch this previous video so you will understand the context. Okay, let us inspect this in stock text. So here we have id availability. Let us take that and we'll take span, one matching in it, one matching element. Let us copy this. Okay, so we'll keep this in some variable and we will call that variable availability text is equal to await page dot locator. This is the locator. I want to get the text of it, so say text content. Okay, okay, so we can print that and see whether we are getting the proper text. Availability text. Save. Let us execute this. Okay, so we are using Amazon example. We are entering laptop into the search bar and pressing enter button. And what we are doing is we are clicking on the first button, so it was going into the next tab, so we removed that target attribute so it opens in the same page. Okay, to achieve that we have used this block of code. Okay, that link that evaluate and this line, that is el dot remove attribute target, we are removing this target attribute so it will open in the same page. Okay, let me press enter again. It entered the laptop, pressed enter. Now it clicked on the first link. So what I did, I fetched this text. Okay, so it is correct. So we got the text in stock. Okay, so now let us put if else ladder. Okay, so how to do? As you know, if and what is the condition? Condition is availability text. Okay, so if this availability text includes in stock, includes in stock text, then what we want to do, we want to click on this add to cart button. Okay, so let us inspect this add to cart button. So it has id add to cart. Let us take, okay, it has three matching elements. The first one is not matching with this add to cart button. Press enter. Okay, you can see that second one is matching with this add to cart button. Okay, so let us click on the second one. Okay, so how to click on the second one? Nth of one. Okay, so await page dot locator, and this is the locator, so I want to click on the second one, so nth of one. So one means it will click on the second one. Okay, so what is the next one? So next condition is else if the availability text dot includes, So what it can include, other conditions are, it can say currently unavailable. Okay, so currently unavailable. If it includes this text, we want to print the statement that is the product is out of stock. The product is out of stock and logging the statement. Okay. Okay, so other conditions will be, possible conditions or text we can get is, we can say that only some number of stocks are left. Okay, so we'll say availability, sorry, else if availability text dot includes only, and also sometimes what it includes it includes left in stock. So this is double ampersand is a logical and operator, means both the things, only and left in stock. If both the things are present, then it will say that warning, that low stock warning. Okay, so availability text dot includes left in stock. Left in stock, then print the statement that it should say warning, low stock, notify user, something like this. Okay, so else, else what we want to print, we want to print unknown stock status. Unknown stock status. Okay, so here you must be observing that it is adding the question mark itself. Okay, if it is saying if it is undefined or null, it will not throw any error. Okay, let us execute this. Okay, so here it was small letter, I made it capital O. It will enter laptop word. So it clicked on the second link. So here it is, the text is in stock. So it clicked on add to cart button. Okay. Okay. So this is all about if else chain or if else ladder. Okay. So next we will see switch case. Okay. So switch case is a cleaner alternative to if else. Okay. So we can say it is an alternative to if else ladder. So here we will have one value and we will compare this value against multiple cases. Okay, so the syntax is switch and we will enter the value and we will open curly braces. Okay, so inside the switch curly braces, we will enter the cases. Okay, so we have to use the keyword called case. Then we have to use within a single quote, we have to enter the condition, that is text. Okay, and after that we have to enter colon, this is the standard syntax, and after entering the code we have to use break keyword. Okay, so break means if the value satisfy with this condition, so break this, what is that, break this condition, do not go and check for other cases. Okay, and if the value matches with this option 2, it will execute second case and it will break. Okay, so then we will use default is like else block. Okay, so if none of this matches, then it will execute this default block of code. Okay. Okay, so now we'll remove only from this test block, and we will use for last one dot only. Okay, just remember this switch case is a cleaner alternative to if else. Okay, so we will take the same example. Okay, same Amazon example, and same this one, we will convert this to switch case. So I'll copy everything from here. So we will put switch case here. So to put, we have to use the keyword switch. And what is the value? Value is this availability text. Copy. Okay. I will copy this availability text. Copy. Oh, sorry. Okay. So switch this text. I will put trim method. Okay. So this is the value and open curly braces, and I'll put cases. Okay, for each availability text. So what is the case one? Case one is in stock. So if this text availability text matches with this case, then it will print a statement that stock is available, and click on the add to cart button. Stock is available. Adding to cart. We will take this add to cart locator from here and click on it. Copy, add to cart, and we will say break keyword. Okay, so second case is, what is the second case? Second case is currently unavailable. Okay, so if the value is this, then we want to print a statement. What is that? Product is out of stock. Console.log, product is out of stock, and break keyword. And if case is only one left in the text, if the case is only one left, then we want to print console.log, sorry, low stock, and break. So here we have to enter colon. After every case, we have to put colon and break keyword. Okay. So what is the default one? For default block, we have to use default keyword. Default colon, print the console statement that is unknown stock. Unknown stock status. Okay, so this is just works like if else ladder. Okay, so here I'm checking this value against multiple uh, cases. Okay, so here it will be only one, or we will say only one left in the stock, or we will get some text. Okay, okay, let us execute this. entered laptop and clicked on the first link. So in stock is available, adding to cart. Okay, so here since we did not give the weight, we did not see that whether it clicked on add to cart button or not. Okay, so let me give some hard weight and we can see that. Wait for timeout. Let us execute once again. So when you have multiple cases, so instead of if else ladder, we'll go with switch cases. And if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. Okay, it clicked on the add to cart button. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please practice. Okay. Thanks once again.